So today we are discussing a new trade for Sol Solana. Looking at the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the price action is quite complicated. As we can observe, I have drawn a trend line and the price is moving within that trend line. A few days ago, it formed a support level at 140, then surged to 148.7 and later dropped back down to 141.9. Now let's analyze the same scenario on the 15-minute time frame. We can see that the last time the price was at this level, it started moving upward from there, where it grabs liquidity. When it came back to that level again, the buyers who were waiting there started buying again, and this time it broke the previous resistance level of 148. On the 15-minute time frame, we can observe that after breaking the resistance, it dropped back down to 148 to test it as support, and then the buyers started buying again. The latest resistance level is 158.79. Considering how it respected the previous support level, technically speaking, it broke the previous support level of 147.47 just a few hours ago, which breaks the support of 148 that touched yesterday. So the question is, should we go long or short? In this case, a short break is more likely to succeed, and our entry point will be between 156 and 154. Our targets will be 150, 148 and 142. If we analyze the risk to reward ratio, we can draw a short position to visualize it. As you can see on the screen, our stop loss is relatively quite near, but it is based on the current high price, and it is a good risk considering the potential reward. Our stop loss will be around 160 and our entry point will be between 154 and 156. We already have 3 exit points, 150, 148 and 142. This means that if our first target is hit, we can take some profit, and if the second target can hit, we can take even more profit. As we take profit, our stop loss will also move downward, ensuring that we remain profitable. Looking at our risk to reward ratio, we can see that it's approximately 2.2, which is relatively high based on our loss. Additionally, BTC is also falling, which will likely affect SOL, and the price action is confirming this. So, if you have any question regarding this trade, feel free to ask me, and don't forget to follow me for future live stream notification. And if you want me to check another point, you can ask me. I will think if there is any trade around them, but make sure you must follow me. Thank you.